Will Super Bowl weekend affect market prices, or will it be too cold to make sales? It's Valentine's Day weekend, the second busiest holiday for florists, and the car is packed. Gotta get these flowers home, out of the boxes, and I have so much to create. I have bouquets, centerpieces to make for the farmer's market. So here are the centerpieces that I created for the farmer's market. It's market morning. The high is supposed to be around 50 today, so it is freezing right now. I am packed to the brim. I even have stuff in my lap, so I'm gonna have to move it so I can drive. But the car is packed from the driver's seat all the way back. So getting there early. It's 7. Still dark outside to set up. It is 9 o'clock and the market is about to open. So here is my setup. I have my mason jars to the left. I have the DIY create your own bouquet in the center. I even created a floral arrangement for the front booth at the farmer's market. Although I was worried about the farmer's market, it was great to see customers happy. Although I was worried about market sales, it ended up being a great weekend. Let me know in the comments below which floral arrangement is your favorite. If you're interested in more videos of watching me get ready for the farmer's market, making bouquets, or growing flowers in my garden, please consider subscribing to my channel.